Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. If you purchased your early 5th gen Camaro for its classic looks and style, but you're looking for something a little extra to give it that old school look, well, look no further than the headlight covers from PCP. They are the perfect addition to your Camaro to give it that nostalgic look. These covers are constructed out of an impact-resistant polycarbonate material. Their snap-in design allows for a 100% no modification required installation. The finish is offered in the various factory colors or unpainted for that custom paint work. Installation is simply done by lining up the lower tabs to the factory bumper and snapping the upper tabs in place. A simple 2-minute installation, and we can now sit back and enjoy the new retro look. There you have it, guys. Now, as always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.